Various mobile app testing types. Functional testing. In this software testing type, the functional aspects of the software are validated to ensure the app functions properly under all conditions. Usability testing. The main aim of this testing type is to ensure an app delivers a great UX to users. UI testing. This test ensures users face no difficulty accessing the app. It also delivers a highly responsive UI of an app. User acceptance testing. The main aim of acceptance testing is to ensure an app is acceptable to end users. Performance and load testing. This test is performed to ensure effective app performance and load handling capacity of an app under various conditions like fluctuating networks, varying bandwidths, increased user loads, etc. Security testing. The main aim of this test is to remove security flaws or loopholes from an app to ensure its protection from cyber attacks. Accessibility testing. This test is performed to ensure an app complies with accessibility guidelines such as WCAG 2.1, 2, 2, ADA Act, Stanca Act, etc. Digital testing. This testing type covers the entire gamut of software testing and is essential for digital apps. It ensures the effective functioning, performance, security, usability, and accessibility of digital apps. Cloud testing. This test ensures an app's proper functioning, security, and performance under cloud networks. Stay tuned for more fascinating bites.